How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and milk.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends relaxing at home.
What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is fall.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you prefer reading books or watching movies?
I prefer reading books.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is New York City.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
My favorite type of exercise is running.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you prefer reading fiction or nonfiction?
I prefer reading fiction.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
My favorite type of cuisine is Italian.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have any tattoos.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is sunny and warm.
Do you prefer to stay in or go out on weekends?
It depends on my mood, but I usually prefer to stay in.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
My favorite type of dessert is chocolate cake.
Do you have any phobias?
Yes, I'm afraid of heights.
What's your favorite type of flower?
My favorite type of flower is a rose.
Do you prefer to read books or watch TV shows?
I prefer to read books.
What's your favorite type of art?
My favorite type of art is Impressionism.
Do you have any favorite quotes?
Yes, my favorite quote is "Do the best for today."
What's your favorite type of shoe?
My favorite type of shoe is sneakers.
Do you prefer to cook at home or eat out?
I prefer to cook at home.
What's your favorite type of drink?
My favorite type of drink is iced tea.
Do you have any favorite board games?
Yes, my favorite board game is Monopoly.
What's your favorite type of candy?
My favorite type of candy is gummy bears.
What's your favorite type of book?
My favorite type of book is a mystery.
Do you have any favorite TV channels?
Yes, I like to watch the Discovery Channel.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
My favorite type of fruit is a mango.
Do you prefer to take showers or baths?
I prefer to take showers.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
My favorite type of cheese is cheddar.
Do you have any favorite podcasts?
Yes, I like to listen to the TED Radio Hour.
What's your favorite type of bread?
My favorite type of bread is sourdough.
Do you prefer to stay up late or wake up early?
I prefer to stay up late.
What's your favorite type of soup?
My favorite type of soup is tomato soup.
Do you have any favorite musical artists?
Yes, I like to listen to Taylor Swift.
What's your favorite type of vegetable?
My favorite type of vegetable is broccoli.
Do you prefer to wear casual or formal clothes?
I prefer to wear casual clothes.
What's your favorite type of nut?
My favorite type of nut is almonds.
Do you have any favorite video games?
Yes, I like to play Mario Kart.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
My favorite type of pasta is spaghetti.
Do you prefer to watch movies at home or in the theater?
I prefer to watch movies at home.
What's your favorite type of fish?
My favorite type of fish is salmon.
Do you have any favorite apps on your phone?
Yes, I like to use Instagram.
What's your favorite type of tea?
My favorite type of tea is green tea.
Do you prefer to use a laptop or a desktop computer?
I prefer to use a laptop.
What's your favorite type of ice cream?
My favorite type of ice cream is mint chocolate chip.
Do you have any favorite board games?
Yes, I like to play Settlers of Catan.
What's your favorite type of bird?
My favorite type of bird is a hummingbird.
Do you prefer to read books on paper or on an e-reader?
I prefer to read books on paper.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
My favorite type of sandwich is a BLT.
Do you have any favorite podcasts?
Yes, I like to listen to How I Built This.
What's your favorite type of pizza topping?
My favorite type of pizza topping is pepperoni.
Do you prefer to stay in or go out for dinner?
It depends on my mood, but I usually prefer to stay in.
What's your favorite type of flower?
My favorite type of flower is a sunflower.